Hello students, welcome to Online Study for You, one-step solution for all your placement needs. Today, I am going to share a very good news not only for 2021 batch but also for 2020 batch. There were lots of comments on our videos that why no one is thinking for 2020 batch. So here today I have come up with a video with an opportunity for 2020 batch as well in Tech Mahindra company. So yes, Tech Mahindra has brought an Elevate program on which 2020 and 2021 batch both are eligible. So what I'm going to cover in this video are Tech Mahindra Elevate program, the details, batch eligibility, which batch is eligible, then the courses and branches eligible for engineering, how to apply, the assessment test date, and the salary which you will be getting, and the job locations where you will be posted after your interview, right? If you will be selected. So without wasting much time, let's move ahead. Okay, so here is Tech Mahindra Elevate program. So what I would like to tell you that it is a technical internship program. When I'm saying internship, so don't think that there will be only an internship and then everything will be over. It is very similar to all other companies. Like either you take Capgemini, Infosys, or Cognizant. What they does, they also that when you are hired, you are actually hired at an internship position, like software engineering intern, software analyst intern. Because for those 6 months you are doing internship, probably in your last semester of your course, and then after 6 months you are hired as a permanent employee. So it is very same. It is not like that there will be only internship and everything will be over. So and Tech Mahindra has named it as Tech Mahindra Elevate program, right? So batches eligible, I already said in introduction that a good news, a very good news for 2020 batch, that they are also eligible, and 2021 is also eligible. What more good is that majorly they will be hiring from the students of 2020 batch only, and their second priority will be the 2021 batch. So this is even better news, right? Then the courses and branches which are eligible: engineering courses and MC. The branches eligible in engineering course are computer science and engineering. If you are your branch is computer science or computer engineering only, then also it's okay, right? Then information technology, IT, EC, ENTC, telecommunication, and right that way. Then telecom, communication, and EN electronics. So these are eligible branches. Other than that, MCA students as well. 2020 and 2021 batch. Okay, so that's already known to us. Then how to apply? So what we have done, that we have put this the link to how to apply, the registration link, in our Instagram bio. So what you need to do, let me just take this highlighter so that I can help you in better way. Yes. So what you need to do, you have to go to Instagram and you have to search online study for you dot placement. This way, when you will search, you will get this account. Okay. So this is our account. So you can follow this account for next post. And then here you can see in our bio, we have already updated this link. So you can go through this link, apply. How to apply? I'm just going to tell you right now. So when you will go to that link from our Instagram bio, you will land on this page. Okay, so here is your fresh registration. You are not already registered, so you will click on fresh registration. Default, you will get this page only. Then you have to click here to register. What is happening is that it is taking so much time to load. Means it can even take 4 to 5 minutes to load from here. So don't think that there is some problem and don't try to reload it again and again. You just click it once or twice and then wait for 3 to 4 minutes. It will open its next screen. Next screen will have these instructions, and these two instructions, and then you have to mark tick here and then continue. What I have done, that rather than explaining all this, I have summarized all these instructions in this slide. You can understand that minimum 60% marks in academics, 10th, 12th, or if you are doing engineering, if you are doing engineering or MCA. Suppose if after 10th you have done diploma, then there also you must have scored minimum 60% marks, right? Then for those students who are from 2021 batch, how they will calculate their engineering marks? So they have asked that you have to calculate aggregate marks up to the recent semester results you have got. So most of us have results up to only 6 semester. So what you will do, that till 6 semester you will find aggregate. You can simply take it as average percentage what you are having, and you have to If that is greater than 60, then you can apply. And there is a place also where you have to write your percentage. So please remember that if in your college there is not percentage CGPA, then you have to contact your college and you have to ask that what is the conversion rate. So you have to write only in percentage, not in CGPA, and that also up to 2 decimal places only, like 79.16, not 79.16234. You are writing something like that. And please write only in percentage, not in CGPA. If 2021 batch, then aggregate must be minimum 60% up to last semester result you are having, the average. Then you must not have appeared for Tech Mahindra in past 6 months. So you have not applied or appeared for any interview or something in past 6 months, and there is no fees for this. You can very freely apply. What will happen when after reading the instructions, what I have this summarized here, when you will click here, right, and then you will click on continue, you will land on this page. So here, as you can see, there you have to give some personal details, Mr., Mrs., names, right? Here, university enrollment number. Please don't get confused with college ID number. We have, most of us have two types of numbers, two, three types of ID numbers. You have library ID, these ID, those ID. You have to write university enrollment number, not your college registration number or any other ID number, right? So please be very cautious while entering this. Then DOB, marital status, gender, mobile, alternate mobile. What I will suggest you, that on alternate mobile, what most of students used to do, that if they are having two SIMs, more than two SIMs, so they gave both their numbers only. What will happen? See, this alternate number is asked only because if you're they want to contact you and you're not available on this number, then they will go to this number. But this number, it's obviously will not work if there is some problem with your mobile net connectivity, you are in some remote location, battery is dead. So if this is not working, the second number also in your mobile only, this will also not work. That's why it's always recommended that this alternate number, please give of your father, mother or brother, right? So that they, because it's not a high probability that both of the mobiles will be not working at the time. And then your email, please give an email which you keep checking, because all the further communication as written here will be done on this email only. Then here students are being getting confused how to fill. They are clicking here but nothing is happening, clicking here, clicking here. What you have to do, I don't think that many of you are from post graduations. If for MCA, you can click on here and then you have to fill details. If you are from engineering background, then you have to first click here, right? And then you will be able to select this degree, right? And then branch, country, university name here, college name here, aggregate percentage, which I told you have to write up to 2 decimal places, like 79.1683.74. Write this. Passing year 2020 or 2021. Then okay, then diploma details. If after 10th you have done diploma, then again the similar details I've already told you. Class 10th details, sharing the class 10 details is mandatory. You can see star here, but not for class 12th. But I will suggest you, it won't take more than a minute. So please fill all these details, so that since they are having more details about you, they can analyze better. So maybe in somehow you will get an upper hand in selection, right? So once you are filled with that, you have you will get in captcha. You have to write here. Once you are done, you will click on register. Now what will happen? That on the screen, see, after this screen again, it will load for many minutes, like 4 to 5 minutes. It might take, on slow connection, it might take 6 to 7 minutes also. It will keep loading. This is a very important page. After clicking on register, please don't try to reload it. Here is the reload button in Chrome. So don't try to do that. You will get in some problem, right? So after that, you please wait. You will get your here you will see your email ID, and you will get a registration ID and registration pin. Please take a screenshot or image, because these are required further also. And on your email also, at the very same time, exact that time, you will get registration ID and pin, and these details you will get here. Now coming to when this exam or the assessment test will be conducted for the hiring by Tech Mahindra. So after Diwali, yeah, there's some crackers burning. So 4th or 5th week of November, right? Yes, this November is of 5 week. So 4th or 5th week of November, and those students who will be replying late, they'll be getting their test in, you can say, first week or 1 to 10th December. So that would be the date what we have got to know when we try to contact those Tech Mahindra officials through email. And the salary and job locations, the very the major thing which I think you are waiting for this only. So in internship period, you will be getting 20 to 22K. See, this is variable because the positions are also variable. See, they have not written that for which position they are hiring. They hire from salary varies from 4 to 6 LPA, right? But I have here mentioned some details which means major hiring will be for these categories. So associate software engineer 3.5 to 4 LPA, and a software engineer, software developer 4.5 to 5 LPA. I've given this range because some salary is variable, right? On basis of your performance or something. That's why I've written in this way, but it also goes to 6 LP also. And in some colleges, it's only 3.5 LPA. So that thing will vary according to how you're performing or what they need. And your job location will be Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Noida. So I think that I have covered all the things, all the required things. What you have to do is that you have to just, let me take you back. Yes. So how to apply? You have to go to this Instagram channel, online study for you dot placement. Here is our channel. And here, when you will click on this, you will get a screen of like this. And then here you can click on the link, and then you will land on this page, and you have to do similarly what I just told. So thank you so much, students. I hope you like this video. You, especially the 2020 batch students, they were very worried. They were not getting so much chance. So we will meet in our next video. Till then, keep learning.